If you ever wonder how prompts and how images are generated using AI free tools, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you simple trick on how to read and identify prompts of any AI images generated. I'm going to show you right in this video, and by that you'll be able to master and understand how to craft a creative and unique prompt when you want to generate your next AI content. So let's begin. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell so each time I post content about AI topic like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to identify and read a proper AI prompt and how you can generate unlimited prompt for your next AI content. So let's go.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open your browser and then you come to the address bar right here and type in w.styler.ai. So you can see the URL right here and press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, so before we can use these AI tools to generate anything, we have to create a free account with the website. If you have an account with them before, what you want to do is to just click on sign in. But if you don't have an account with them, you can click on sign up right here, or you come down here, click on sign up. Then there are two options by which you can use to sign up. You can easily continue with your Google account, or you enter your email and your password and agree with terms of service. But I'm going to use my Google account. So continue with my Google account. Then choose your Google account. Having chosen your Google account, is going to ask you some few questions. So you need to just answer this. A few questions can help you know more better. So just click on that and then choose what profession that describe you. Okay, I'm a business owner. Then general work on. So you have to tell them what exactly you are. So I'm a graphic designer or visual designer. Just choose the one that are related to your feed. Then come here, I hairstyler from, that is the reference. So you hear it from YouTube or from Facebook, Instagram or Twitter or product art, AI director. So just choose any one right here. Then click on start creating. So account has been successfully set up. So it takes you back to the home page. Welcome back, friends. So after you successfully create an account with styler.ai, next thing we want to do is to see how we can use this particular AI website to identify and find out the prompts that they use on a particular image. Okay, so for us to do that, we have to come to the sidebar right here. We make sure we click on new project. Then you can come to the canvas at the top right here and choose the size of your image. So I'm going to leave it in this one right here. Then I will have to head over back to the home page. Then I have to come to the email or import image like this. I will click on import image. So I'm going to use this image right here. Then I'll make sure I click on open. Then we can adjust the image to full the canvas size this way. Okay. So we want to read this prompt that they use to make this particular image right here. So for us to do that, we have to come to this sidebar again. And we'll make sure we click on image to image. Then this is going to pump up. Then we have to choose our style right here. Make sure you leave it in realistic. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on auto prompt. This place, click on that. Alright, so we have the prompt right here. A busy highway with car and motorcycle is filled with giant inflatable roaster, one of which is red and white and the other is blue and white. Roosters are standing in the middle of the road, causing a traffic jam as vehicles come to stop around them. All right, so this is the prompt right here. What I'm going to do here is to highlight everything, and I'll make sure I right click. I will copy the prompt. Now this prompt here, we can use it to generate this same exactly image like this, or we generate something similar. So we can use Bing AI to do that. So I'll head over to a new browser right here. Then I'll create a new tab. And I'll come to the address bar right here. I'll make sure I type in bing.com and press enter. Then I'll make sure I navigate to images. Now I'll make sure I click on create. So here we are. So at the point right here, this is where we need to paste our prompt. So the prompt will generate from Styler. I'm going to press Ctrl V. and paste it right here. So having pasted the prompt, then I'll have to come to this side right here and make sure I click on generate. So here's the results. So something similar. So for us to download any of the image, we just need to click on the image. So take a look at the result we have right here. So we can click on here and see more results. So this is another result. Then we can click on here and see more. So take a look at another one and the very last one here. Alright, so let's quickly go back to Styli AI. And right here, we have it here. So what we're going to do here is that we need to go back to the home page. Then we start afresh, create a new project. So this time around, we have to choose text to image. Then we can leave the style to be realistic. Then we come down here and we paste the prompt, Ctrl V to paste. Then what we want to do next is to make sure we click on stylize right here. Take a look at the result we generate from Styli right here. So this one right here, and this one, and this one. Okay. So for us to download any of the image, or if you want to download everything, just make sure you select everything. Then after you select all the image, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on place on Canva right here. Click on place on Canva. Then you have all the image on Canva. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Click on export. Then make sure you choose file format, JPEG. Then tick export all layer. Then click on export for piece. So it's as simple as that. So this method can be used to generate prompt from any images or what have you. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful and you love more AI content like this, consider to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell so each time I post AI topic, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.